Watch lovely sunsets from this west-facing property in Riverwood. This lot has central water and electric available with a concrete driveway. Partial impact fees have already been paid because there was a previous house on the lot. Riverwood is a beautifully maintained 55-plus manufactured home community with golf access, community boat ramp, and low HOA fees. Only $180 a year. Unlike other manufactured home neighborhoods, you actually own the land when you purchase a lot. The location is stellar. You are about 15 minutes to downtown Naples and less than 10 to Marco Island and Isles of Capri. Nature lovers will be across the street from the Rookery Bay Nature Center and close to Collier Seminole Park and the Fakahatchee Strand. This area of Naples is in the center of new retail: Walmart, Ulta, Petsmart, Michaels, Marshalls, Steinmart and the brand new Aldis. The neighborhood is also 5 minutes from the new Eagle Lakes Community Park and Aquatics Center. Eagle Lakes has low fees, walking trails and lots of fitness classes.